So should you sell your SPY stock today or tomorrow? Welcome, my name is Rosh and I am the founder of SPYtomorrow.com, and based on that name, I just might be the right person to help you make that decision. SPY, or often referred to as SPY, is an ETF, an exchange traded fund, which mirrors the S&P 500. Long-term investors like it due to its stability and long-term track record, and traders like it because it is highly traded and, even more important, highly liquid. That means traders can get in and out of SPY quickly at a good price. There are a number of reasons you might want to sell. Maybe you're at the end of a trading cycle, maybe you're swing trading, maybe you just need a little extra cash. And so you're trying to decide if you should sell your stock today or tomorrow. Now, there are a few things you can consider. One thing to consider is if there's economic news coming out tomorrow, market news that could impact the price of SPY, or possibly earnings news from some of the heavily weighted SPY stocks, such as Google or Tesla or Apple or Microsoft. Check it out. See if there's any news coming from any of those. Now, this could be positive or negative, but if you don't want to take that risk, well, then sell today. You may want to take a look at the technicals of SPY or any stock that you're considering selling. Is it oversold? In other words, has there been a lot of selling pressure? And if that's the case, you very well may want to hang on to it a little longer to see if you can catch it on an upswing before you sell it. Now, if it's oversold because of horrible news, well, maybe you just want to get out right now and look at it again later. It could also be overbought, meaning a lot of people have been buying it. It's been going up, up, and up, and it just might be time to take profit. Of course, there's my favorite signal, and that's the SPYtomorrow.com signal, which is available for free at 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, which will show a signal that says either up or down. And if it's an up signal, you may want to hang on to it overnight because the chances are about 75% that it's going to continue higher the next day. However, if it says down, well, then sell before the close and perhaps you'll save a little profit. Of course, you can use the signal multiple days. If you see an up signal, well, then hold on to it overnight. And if the market opens up and continues up, well, then look for another up signal and hold on for another night until you finally see a down signal. Then you probably want to sell before the market close. Of course, anything can happen overnight to change the mood of the market. If it's an up signal, we could be down by morning due to news, economic news from around the world. The world does not stop overnight. So if you want to make sure that you have money in hand, well, then of course, sell before the market closes. If SPY is on an uptrend and you don't need the money immediately, you could hold on to it for a few more weeks by placing a stop underneath the current price. You can even have that stop follow you up, say by 5% behind the current price. So if the stock goes down 5% or 3% or even 1%, whatever you decide, you'll stop out and preserve your gains or minimize any other losses. There are many reasons to sell your SPY stock. However, if you want a good indicator that's on average 75% correct as to how the SPY will open within the first half hour of the trading day, head on over to SPYtomorrow.com and check it out for free, 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, either up or down. I'll see you in the next video.